So basically, myself, I'm Dr. N. Vishnu Swaroop Reddy. I'm an ENT and facial plastic surgeon and head of the department. Dr. Rajsekharam is also one of our consultants in ENT department. Um, we are conducting this second international rhinoplasty workshop, that is on 26th and 27th, Saturday and Sunday, coming Saturday and Sunday, at Care Outpatient Center in road number 10, Banjara Hills. It's basically, I don't know how many of you are aware of, I'm sure you must be these days. Rhinoplasty means plastic surgery of the nose. So we are conducting this plastic surgery of the nose training workshop for doctors, mainly ENT and plastic surgeons, and also some maxillofacial surgeons are also attending. There are about 35 postgraduate students, and then about maybe consultants, maybe around uh, 90, 80 to 90 consultants. Altogether around, we are expecting around 150 doctors. Um, uh, Current registrations are around 125 to 130, and we are expecting on the spot registrations another 20 people. Around 150 doctors are going to be trained in nose plastic surgery. Basically, myself, I worked in England for 10 years and moved here. The facial plastic surgery is part of the training for ENT surgeons in Europe and America. So that's why I have a special interest on nose plastic surgery. So that's how we have been involved in these nose plastic surgery, training, and then we do a lot. In fact, myself, I used to go as a faculty to Delhi. One of the senior doctors by name Dr. V.P. Sood used to organize. Ever since I returned from England, I used to go last 6-7 years, and unfortunately he passed away 2 years ago. And just before his death, he requested me. He has done for 35 years of this training on nose plastic surgery in Delhi. He said he should take over and start in Hyderabad. So that's what he requested me. That's how with that inspiration, we started last year as the first workshop, and we had a very successful workshop last year. We around 125 doctors have attended from all over India, and from neighboring countries also. We are getting doctors to get trained in the nose plastic surgery. And this year we have many more registrations. It is, I think, we are expecting over 150. And in this context, actually, I invite some of my friends in England, Dr. Krishna T.V. Reddy from England, another Dr. Ullas Raghavan. Both of them are coming from England. Tomorrow they are arriving. And then we have 4 other faculty from India, Dr. Mahadevaya from Bangalore, and Dr. Viswas from Bangalore, and Dr. Mohan Jagade from Bombay, and Dr. Dev Roy from Calcutta. So all 6 of us are going to train, ENT and plastic surgeons and maxillofacial surgeons, on nose plastic surgery. That is on 2 days, 26th and 27th. And in this workshop, we have lectures covering all theoretical aspects of the nose plastic surgery, and then we have live operations. We will be doing operations from the theaters in the 4th floor at Care Outpatient Center, and the live surgery being relayed to the hall 1 floor above, that is in the 5th floor of the Care Outpatient Center. That's where the delegates will be watching the live operations, and we will have a two-way interaction, and that's how we take them through various steps of nose plastic surgery, and then we train them in that way. That's why it's called workshop. We cannot have a huge gathering, so normally workshops are limited to around 100 number only in most of the places where I go, and we have a huge response. Around 150 are there now. So this workshop, this is the second workshop. With all the encouragement and support, we would like to continue this in South India, because no other place in South India, or even North India also, there is a dedicated workshop on nose plastic surgery is not going on. That's why there is so much of importance for this. So this is a prestigious workshop which we are doing at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills, and which we would like to continue with all your encouragement. In this connection, if you want to know anything about, I can just show a brief presentation about 5-10 minutes how the nose plastic surgery is done, and I'll show some examples of photographs before operation and after operation. If you want to be aware of, I can do that for about 10 minutes, and also answer your questions if you have any. And also we have a brief videos